Welcome to my channel. Today's 10-minute beginner-friendly yoga flow will offer relaxation and gentle challenges. We will explore twists, side bends, child's pose, and modified push-ups. Whether you are new to yoga or seeking a quick, effective practice, join me to release tension and build strength. If you are ready, let's get started. Come to the top of your mat. Feet hip distance apart. Spread your toes wide. Arms alongside your body. Palms facing forward. Lengthen through the crown of your head. Relax your shoulders. Bring your hands to your heart. We'll start with one deep full breath in. Inhale fully. Exhale completely. Now interlace your fingers and press your palms out in front of your chest. Reach your arms overhead. Send your hips to your right. Side bend over to your left. Ground down through your feet. And then come right back up and bend over to your right side. Send your hips to the left. And then come back to center. Release your hands. Cactus your arms, squeeze your shoulder blades together, opening up your chest. Maybe drop your head back just a little bit if your neck feels okay. Inhale, reach your arms high. Now rotate your upper body to your left side. Lower your arms down to shoulder height. Bend your right knee. Bring your forearm onto your thigh. Twist it to the left. And then come back up. Let's twist to the right side. Make sure your hips are still facing the front. Now bend your left knee, forearm on your thigh. Rotate open to the right. And then straighten your left leg, come back to center. Sweep your arms overhead. Exhale, cactus your arms. Lift your chest, mini back bend. Arms up. Exhale, soften your knees. You can bring your hands or forearms onto your thighs, or bring your hands all the way down with me. Forward fold. Inhale, lengthen your spine, halfway lift. Exhale, fold back in. Now step back, lift your hips up and back for downward facing dog. Make any movements your body needs here. Maybe you want to pedal your feet. Maybe you want to swivel your hips side to side. Whatever your body needs, not what your mind wants. From here, lower your knees to the ground. Send your hips towards your heels. Child's pose. Now bring your chest forward. Bend your elbows. Lower halfway like a push-up. And come right back up and then back to our child's pose. 2 more like this. Chest forward. Bend your elbows. And go back. 1 more time. Push the floor away and go back. Now bring your chest forward with me again, this time with your arms straight. Bend your knees, bring your heels together to touch, shoulders away from your ears, flex your feet, and back to child's pose. Let's do 2 more. Move forward, heels kissing, ankles are flexed, lift your chest, and back to child's pose. 1 more time. Move forward, and all the way back. Inhale, raise your right arm up. Exhale, thread it under your left arm. Back to center, other side. Inhale, take your left arm up. Exhale, weave it under your right arm. And come back to child's pose. Tuck your toes under. Lift your hips up, downward facing dog. Feel free to keep a soft bend at your knees, or stay here for 3 breaths. Now bend your knees, gaze forward. Walk your feet to the top of your mat, forward fold. Hang heavy. bring your weights forward. Inhale, take your halfway lift, flat back. Exhale, release, forward fold. Inhale, we are going to stand all the way up, arms up, head up, mountain pose. Let's do the same flow one more time. This time, we'll move a little bit faster as we are more familiar with the flow now. So interlace your hands, press your palms forward and up to the sky. Take a side bend to the left, hips facing forward. That's great. Maybe go a little bit deeper this time. Breathe and come back to center. Other side. Leaning over towards your right. Reach your arms long. Come back and release your hands. Cactus your arms. Squeeze your shoulder blades together. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, twist it to the left. Bring your arms down to T. From here, bend your right knee, right hand on your right thigh, or all the way down to the ground this time. Twist it to your left side. Come back up, other side. Bend your left knee, lower your left hand any amount. Rotate your chest to the right. And come back up. Bring your arms overhead. Exhale, cactus your arms. Open your chest. Inhale, come back up. Exhale, swan dive down, forward fold. Inhale, lift halfway, long spine. Exhale, surrender. Now step your right foot back, left foot back. Let's meet in downward facing dog. Checking in with your body. How do your legs feel right now? What does your body need right now? Take a deep breath in. And open your mouth and sigh out. Lower your knees to the mat. Sit back, child's pose. Remember our push-ups. Inhale, bring your chest forward. Bend your elbows, come on down. Push the floor away, child's pose. 2 more times. Keep your elbows in as you lower down. Push up, sit all the way back. 1 more time. Move forward, lower halfway, push up, and child's pose. Now bring your chest forward with your arms extended, knees bent, heels together to touch. Lift your chest. Exhale, move all the way back. We'll do 2 more. Inhale, move forward, shoulders away from your ears, lift up. Exhale, back to child's pose. 1 more time. Here we go. Bring your hips forward, heels together. Take it all the way back, child's pose. Inhale, take your right arm up. Exhale, thread it underneath your left. Stay here for 3 breaths. And come back, switch side. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, thread it underneath your right arm. Breathing in, breathing out. Back to your child's pose. Tuck your toes. Let's move into downward facing dog. See how this downward facing dog is different from the first one when we started. Perhaps the back of your legs are more open. Gaze between your hands. Walk your feet to the top of your mat. Halfway lift. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, root to rise, come up. Exhale, bring your hands to your heart center. Inhale, reach your arms up. Exhale, release your arms down by your side. We begin with mountain pose, and now we'll finish with mountain pose. I invite you to close your eyes now. Feel the connection with your feet to the ground. Sense the stability and support beneath you. Lengthen your spine as if a string is gently pulling you upward. Feel the elongation from the base to the crown of your head. Soften your shoulders away from your ears. Take a moment to mentally scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of lingering tension, and consciously release them. Reflect on a moment of gratitude. It could be something from your practice or a positive aspect of your day. Be present in this moment. Feel the energy within and around you. Let go of any thoughts about the past or future. When you are ready, gently blink your eyes open. Slowly transition back to your day, maintaining the sense of peace and awareness you've cultivated. Thank you for practicing with me. May the light in me honor and bow to the light in you. My name is Francis. Namaste. If you enjoyed this practice with me, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you next time.